Girls, stop. Look. Look what I found.
Ooh.
It's a marshmallow?
Yeah, marshmallow.
A marshmallow?
Yeah.
No. It's hard.
It's hard.
It's white.
It's white.
What is it?
A
What
tooth.
is it?
A tooth? A tooth?
No.
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 Ah,
Nose.
a bone.
A bone.
Yeah, it's a bone.
It's a bone.
Is it a penguin bone?
Yes?
No, it's not. It's old. It's a... It's a dinosaur bone. Ooh.
Wow.
It's a dinosaur bone.
It's a dinosaur bone.
Let's do the dinosaur. Nice dinosaur. So, to make dinosaur bones, we're going to need salt dough. So, salt dough. You need salt,
Salt.
flour,
Flour.
water.
Water.
So, the ingredients are 1 cup of salt. Can I pour the salt?
Can I pour the salt?
Yes. 1 cup of salt. Okay. Can I pour the flour?
Can I pour the flour?
Yes, you can. Go. And now let's see what it looks like after we have mixed everything. Here we go.
Ta-da!
We have mixed everything with our hands. Everyone mix.
Mix, 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 mix.
And we went out to wash our hands.
Wash our hands.
So now we have a beautiful salt dough. So can I have salt dough, please?
Can I have salt dough, please?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Can I have salt dough, please?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Now the goal is to recreate this dinosaur skeleton. Okay? So we're going to make the head bone. Head bone.
Head bone.
The leg bone. Oh,
Leg
leg
bone.
bone.
Legs.
The arm bone.
Arm
bones.
bones.
And the chest bone.
Chest bone.
And the tail bone.
Tail bone.
Good. So everyone in your group will recreate a little bone. 1, 2, or 3. It depends on the size of your group. And you can of course make a lot. You can have groups of 3. I like groups of 3 for one dinosaur. The goal, if it's too sticky like this, right now it's too sticky, add some flour and it'll make things a lot easier. So you really want the bones to look a little bit like bones. Now, once everything is done and it's beautiful, you can leave this to dry, air dry in a room, preferably in the sun, and you'll get a really white finish that looks really good. Now, if you're in a hurry because you're going to reuse your dinosaur bones for the next day, as in our Linguish centers we do during the holidays where we do this kind of activity, you can put this in the oven, mid temperature, I would say 100 degrees Celsius, not more, otherwise it will turn brown, and you can leave it in the oven for maybe 2 hours, something like that. It takes quite a long time to dry, but then you end up with, and now it's been, well, we let it dry for how long, a week now? Maybe a week, but it will be the same result if it was in the oven. It will be a little brownish sometimes, that's why you want to cook it at a low temperature. Anyway, it looks amazing! Look at this!
Yes.
Our dinosaur! Yeah. Now, on this, we can't see it very well. Let's move it on a colored sheet of paper, okay?
Yeah. Good.
Okay, let's move it, go. Okay, we have the head bone.
On the leg.
What is this? The
Leg bone.
leg bone and the
Feet.
feet. Okay. That's the
Tail.
Tailbone. Yeah. The
The arm. Arm bone.
arm bone. Yeah.
And the fingers.
The fingers. Good job.
The second arm.
Perfect. Look at this dinosaur. Beautiful, guys. Now, let's go even further. Check out our tutorial called Dig It Out, because we will bury it and try to find it. Bye.
Bye.